Alright, next up is the Bersa Thunder 380. I believe I'm saving the more difficult ones for last here. Um, this one here, it does have a magazine disconnect. There is an empty magazine inserted in the pistol because I cannot insert it on YouTube. The pistol is clear. Alright, disassembling this one is a bit painful, but it can be done. There is a takedown lever right here. Never remove this takedown lever. Did it once before by mistake a few years ago, and getting that thing back in, that's another whole separate video that I am not going to make for you. Takedown lever. Hold it forward with this finger. You probably want the pistol cocked to make this part easier. With that takedown lever forward, pull all the way to the rear. Then lift off the back rail and allow it to slide forward. You now have the pistol disassembled. Reassembly is a bit trickier. I'll just show you the inner workings here. Again, make sure your hammer is cocked back. You have an empty magazine in here. You will slide the spring into the barrel, using your finger to hold that lever down again. You want to lift this over the barrel, then pull it all the way back until it hits into that groove. At this point, it may require a bit of a tap or a nudge. Okay, we have this back to the slide stop, so we can release this lever. It will spring back into place, and you can now release the slide, and we are functional. Function test, trigger works, we're good. Right, and to be honest, I practiced this one about a good 5-6 times before I made this video, which is why it looks so smooth this time, because of all the previous frustrations and working out all the steps. But good little pistol. This one does have a Crimson Trace grip on it, in case you were curious why it looks a little bit different, a laser grip. And if this video helped you out, like, subscribe, whatever, and I appreciate you watching.